Well, we got a call last night for a rescue down in Poison Springs. The customer stayed in a tent over at Duke's Slick Rock Grill last night, and I'm heading over to Duke's Slick Rock Grill, the restaurant here in town, and I'm going to pick them up, and we're going to go pick them up out of Poison Springs. It should be a nice day for it. It's a brisk 28 degrees this morning, so it'll be a nice little drive out there.
Hey, we're down here in Hanksville heading towards Poison Spring to we're with Dave with Rabbit Brush, and he's going to come show us how to get our truck unstuck.
Here we are down in Poison Springs. You see him in the background there. Let's go take a look, see what we got going on. Here we are, getting ready to go into the river. Ooh, sticky over on this side.
What do you think? You can get it?
Oh yeah. I think what we'll do is
optimistic, man.
I think what we'll do is we'll get the kinetic ropes.
Okay.
I'll stay up on that high side over there, and we'll start yanking.
Here's what I was thinking: we could use this stand for the GoPro.
And everybody's getting in on the recording action.
We're gonna make the coolest video ever, right?
Yep. Yeah, she's in there pretty good. But them kinetic ropes, they give a lot of pulling force.
Really? Right.
Yeah, so. Alrighty. Yeah, as soon as you feel it starting to tug, go and give it some reverse. I was still working on it. What we're gonna do is triple over on the winch cable and give us triple the pulling force, and we're also gonna use the kinetic rope and get some spring action on it, and hopefully that'll be enough to spring them right out of the hole. He stuck really good. So we're jacking up the back end. We got all this cable, and we go to the back of the truck, and we have the truck tied off to the hitch to that little marker pole. I'm actually surprised it's still holding. Probably won't hurt. I'll go and get resituated. Here's another one for the books.
You had your down.
Oh no. Get like that deal, we're gonna get it out. Yeah, you were in there quite a way. So what we did to get him out was I had to actually reposition my truck up to higher ground. While I was positioning, he was putting a jack underneath the truck and trying to get the front dislodged. And I took the high ground. Of course, triple cabled the winch. That's how much I sunk in. And I triple rope tied up to the rock. That's the only way I could keep them sliding. I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but we were pulling so hard. That red line is the die from my kinetic ropes. We were actually squeezing the die out of the stretchy ropes. Backing out of the river, and there we are.
I don't need you to be telling me what I should have done, bro.
The front tires sunk as soon as he got close to the water's edge. Time to winch it out.